one recording?
I think it was.
It is. Okay. Wine Fridge is here.
Woo!
You need to open it with me. All right. How long will this take?
To open this?
We should
Not that
find
long.
out.
Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Ta-da! Wow! Oh, that's so smart. Great.
Smells like a new fridge.
Smells like a new fridge.
Oh, so you put them horizontal then?
Yeah, so these are actually, it's different than my other one because it was this way. And now we put them on the side. And then there's like a bigger pouch down here if you have like bigger size wines. All right, so we need to find a new home for this. So we're debating and I think we're gonna do some rearranging of some stuff. Let's see how heavy this is.
Actually, you take the top.
Woo! That looks pretty sick. All right.
Ready?
Yeah. Initial setup. Before connecting the wine cellar to the power source, let it stand upright for approximately 24 hours.
It's already doing that.
We were already doing that. We should have probably read that first. I never read the instructions first. So I think we want this, I want it at like 50. 50. We're gonna put your bottles of wine in too. Are you happy? Your bottle's now getting a nice home. It is kind of annoying. Like if I had a lot of bottles in here, it's gonna be a little annoying. I'm just curious too. They said that you could be able to fit a bottle like this. Maybe a skinny one.
It's a little tight.
It's a little tight.
Yeah, that's maxed out.
You see? Oh, you know what you can do though? You can do it this way. I think you'd have to do it this way. You're gonna have to puzzle piece some of these wines together. You can't have a vertical one and a horizontal one.
We'll find out in a few months when you upped your collection to 36.
Yeah, so right now we have 7. We're not even close.
You got 21 bottles to go?
We're not
Oh,
even close.
yeah, 19 bottles to go. Oh, 29 bottles
29. Math.
Someday, my brain's off.
And this looks pretty nice. Nice. Wine fridge. Yes. It's at 50 degrees. You hear that? It is kind of gurgling, but it did go down really quickly. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and I just wanted to give my final thoughts on my new wine fridge. When I was picking this fridge, I was looking through the reviews and like the 2 biggest complaints were that it was really loud and it didn't hold 36 bottles. It didn't hold the amount of bottles that it said it did. So far, I haven't really been bothered by the noise. If you open it, you do hear a little bit of gurgling, especially when, because I was telling you guys that this is a compressor, so it turns on and off. So there'll be times when it's a little bit louder, but I don't really hear it with the door closed. If you have the door open, and then you can definitely hear the motor going. Now in terms for the bottle capacity, I've kind of already told you guys you should think that it's gonna hold less bottles than it says, just because they go by Bordeaux bottles, which is a lot smaller. And funny enough, I do have a Bordeaux bottle, so I can show you guys. So this is a Bordeaux size bottle. Let's just take a look at, like, for instance, German and Eastern France, like Alsace will have like tall, skinnier bottles. Then I have a Cava, which is fatter and also a little taller. This one also is taller, and that's a Australian bottle. So just based on all your different sizes of bottles, that's going to change your capacity. This is the Bordeaux size bottle, this one. And it's just going to be based on what wines you get. So if you really want 36 bottles of wine in here, get all of the Bordeaux size bottles. The other thing, and I'm drinking coffee, it's not wine today, you guys. The other thing that I noticed was that whatever temperature you set your wine fridge at, it's gonna be 2 to 3 degrees cooler and then work its way back up to that temperature, which makes sense because we were talking about how thermoelectric, right? It turns on, it goes cooler, and then it waits until it hits that temperature and the engine will start to kick on again. So now my engine, you can hear it a little bit, but it's really not that loud, you guys. It's not that bad. I just want to share with you guys that I'm really happy with my wine fridge. The only thing that I can totally see is that once this gets full and you're trying to get bottles out, you're going to need to take out bottles in order to reach like the ones in the back. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys that I'm really happy. It got cold on the first day. It started out at 70 degrees and it went down to 48 in like maybe like 20 minutes. So it started immediately and I'm pretty happy with it. So yeah, thank you guys for coming along for my unboxing, and you probably will see more of this fridge. I should name the fridge. Maybe, because I had a her last time, maybe this is a him. I have to think of a name, or you guys can pick a name for me. Thanks for coming along with me, and see you guys next time.